Tonight is an exciting evening for the Wind Ensemble, as we perform a world premiere of These Radiant Moments by Harrison L. Collins. This is part of a Upper St. Clair High School Wind Ensemble commission project. At the age of 20, I had my first true actual existential crisis. I saw the impermanence of life in my life and the lives of those that I know and love in of all life. I saw life in the context of our great universe. If the 13.8 billion year history of the universe was condensed down to 1 year, the entire existence of humankind would only happen in the last 10 minutes of December 31st. In this frame, a single life lasts only the blink of an eye. This hit me hard. I had already been afflicted with great anxiety over my identity and what I was going to do with my life, and just about everything else, a condition that I was informed is commonly referred to as growing up. Now, I was paralyzed by the weight of knowing this life was infinitely brief. And yet, as I took the time to learn how to hold that weight, I began to see something within me, something good. I realized how beautiful it is that we each have this one blink of an eye, that our lives are like a flash of light or the ring of a bell. Nothing and then something and then nothing again, all in one radiant moment. I saw that it is the brevity of this moment that gives its meaning and value. If it never ended, it would simply be another nothing. It is because it does not last that. It is something. This is the realization from which these radiant moments come. This work opens with the melody I wrote right around the time I had that crisis. It's a playful, naive melody, one that is young and energetic and full of life. Over 5 minutes, it takes turns with a more melancholy melody, growing older and perhaps wiser. Eventually, it reaches a point of rapturous celebration for our time. And then, like a star reaching the end of its life, it explodes outward in a brilliant flash of sound that brings, and like Vivo, returns to nothing. At the time of this writing these notes, I am now 22 years old. I know astonishingly little, but I do know this. We have come from nothing to share these radiant moments, and we will return to nothing we are done. At this moment, we must do all we can. We must feel, and we must care, and we must love, and we must live. This is hands down one of my most favorite band pieces I've performed throughout my time being in Wind Ensemble, and I hope everyone enjoys. Thank you.